Hello everyone, it's Emmy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today we are going to unbox Puma shoes and shirts. So yeah, I am so obsessed with this brand lately, just lately or recently, because I have 4 shoes to unbox and shirts. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here it goes. The label. Oh, you know what? Okay, so probably the other one is on the other side. So there's the shirt. So this is actually not for me. This is for my friend. So her size is XL, but yeah, this is hers. And we're going to move on to another box. So when I was browsing their website, I see like shoes that I like, so I buy it. So yeah. Oh, actually, wait. There's actually some shirts over here that I ordered that is for me. So there's 2 shoes, same one, but the other one is hers and the other one is mine. So yep. So mine is this one right here. It's like a crop top, Puma white shirt or crop top. And then yeah, I will definitely going to wear this later. I'll show you guys what it looks like on me, and also all the shoes I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the feet. So yeah, so the first shoes is women's. They call this one Puma Smash B2. This is not for me, this is for my friend, but I'm going to show you guys after these mines. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what I got for her. Oh, this is suede, and wow, it's nice actually. I think this is comfortable because there's like so foam optimal comfort. Yeah, this is not for me, this is for my friend, but I'm just going to show you guys. Yeah, this is suede. It's just black and white. It's simple, but it's nice. There you go. And I think there's like super comfortable inside because there's like a foam on it inside. So yeah, I got this one from my friend, and she's the reason why I got shoes too on Puma. Cause when I was like browsing on their website, I look at it like, oh, but I don't have any Puma shoes. So this is the first time ordering from Puma. So yeah, there you go. So let's move on to mine because I'm excited. Yeah, so the first one on my list, they call this one Cali Women's in white Puma, white fluo pink. Ta-da! Wow, this is actually so nice in person. There you go. Wow, it's simple actually. It's just like white, and there's like hot pink over here, and over here there's also a Puma, and the jumping cat or Puma logo over here. So yeah, it's nice. It's a little bit of heavy shoes though. Yeah, it's nice. And I've been like so obsessed with pink lately. I don't know why, but yeah, this is so pretty in person. I will show you guys what it looks like on the feet later. So they call this one Puma. Yeah, Puma Cali women's. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. Second box is this one. Oops, it says full to open. Oops. Oh. Whoa. This is all for me. There's also a coupon for your next 20% on order. So the next one is, this is the Cali wedge PP women's in luminous pink, metallic pink. So as I told you guys that I'm obsessed with pink lately, so I got this. It's so pretty, like it's so pinkish. It's just so pink and so pretty. It's a wedge too. Ta-da! It's like a Barbie pink, or like a hot pink. This is going to be look so good in like white or like plain, and then you can just wear this in something. I think it's going to be a comfortable shoes because there's like a home thing over here, or like a fur, and it's a wedge, and there's like a Puma logo over here and over here. It's just like plain pink, but yeah, it looks like Barbie pink kind. This is going to be so freaking nice with like plain outfit, and then you can just wear this. Wow. So yeah, let's move on to the next one, which is going to be the last one. The last, but definitely not the least. Is the Cali wedge women in Puma white, just Puma white. I think this is the same one as the one that the pink one that I unboxed, but this is plain white. So yeah, it's also a wedge, like the same one that I unboxed, but this is just pure white, and it's also a wedge. So if you're going to wear this, you're going to look more taller. I mean, if you're tall like me. But yeah, going to be looking tall in these shoes. This is so plain, but it's nice. Go. I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and see you guys next time on my next vlog. Peace out. Bye.